Like I was saying, guys, this is gonna be a big year, a big 2021, and it starts now, not in a few days, not in a few weeks. It starts now. It takes dedication, and it takes taking action and literally just putting your money where your mouth is and making things happen. No one's gonna do it for us. No one's gonna make you new income. No one's gonna be sending you checks unless you do the work and you invest in yourself. Okay, and take the chance on different things. So this is the program I was talking about, multiple income funnel. It's a done for you system, and it's super exciting. There's four income streams here, and here's a breakdown. You can kind of hear. So step number one, okay. If you guys are new to digital marketing, you guys are new to affiliate marketing and starting your own online business, it's literally step by step. You click the button and follow the instructions. As simple as that, okay? Step number one, you get access to this whole funnel system. You get multiple funnels, traffic funnels, that starts this autopilot system, okay? Anyone that signs up to utilize this back office, the whole platform, multiple income funnel, they sign up, they pay $50 a month. You get 20 per sign up, okay? Every month, each and every month. Starting to get some reoccurring commissions, okay, for your business. Step number one, simple as that. You get a little landing page, and then it's going to take them, once they get in to the 4-step system here. Step number two, you're going to set up your income streams, right? So you're going to set up your income streams, set up the multiple income funnel, which I just told you about. Stream number two is called Easy One Up, okay? Easy One Up is an online training platform in which people can learn how to start their own online business, learn sales, and educate themselves. And the thing is, it's also a full 100% commission-based program as well. So they get online education, but then they get once you guys buy and get into this platform, you can make up to $2,000 commissions at the highest level. Okay. So at the Vertex Live, you can get paid out the higher commissions. Okay. You get the highest tier, you're looking at $2,000 a sale, and anything under that. Okay. That's huge. And this is a very successful program. It is nice to wake up to $2,000 sales. I'm telling you, it makes a big difference in your life. But you need to put your money where your mouth is, right? A lot of us spent ridiculous amounts of money on gifts that, the kids, we get a brand new toy, play with it for a week, and it's no longer useful anymore. It goes in a drawer, sits there, no longer is used. Okay, so let's just be honest here. You got to invest in yourself, unlock the multiple streams of income, so you can start making some income yourself. All right. So this is the landing page that you get. Like I said, this is Easy One Up, and you get a full online educational platform for people to get started. But at the end of the day, you can also make 100% commissions up to $2,000 a sale, which is a beautiful thing. Okay. Next thing is called TextBot. Okay. TextBot is another income stream, making $100 a sale there. And then there's even the TextBot, Ava Plus, which is a more advanced version that you can make even more. Like I think it's 500. And it's a super awesome program. Automatically answer incoming phone calls, generate hot qualified leads to your business, automatically answer questions via text message, automatically follow up with leads via text, gives you back your time, helps you make more money. Okay. So this is a full automated system for you to utilize, but then you can also sign people up. So when you sign people up, you make $100 a sale, and this is going to be on autopilot through the multiple income funnel system here. Okay, so you want to unlock that and unlock the $100 straight away. Then you can start making $100 per sale on that income stream. The last one, but not least, is income stream number 4, traffic authority. So what you want to do if you're not currently an influencer or a person that has a lot of traffic coming from their social media or their website or their blog, you want to get something called solo ads, which Traffic Authority will give you the opportunity to buy traffic here. And these are the different packages. So I would recommend getting started with the basic package. And as a bonus, when you sign in, if you unlock the basic package, it'll give you up to the bronze package unlocked for you, which means when people buy traffic from your multiple income funnel, make sure that you're unlocked. Make sure you're unlocked so that you don't miss the sale here. Okay, because anyone that signs up under your funnel, you're going to get paid out commissions on the Traffic Authority. Okay, so you want to unlock. I would say get the bronze. That'll unlock silver automatically, or you can get the basic package for $220. It will automatically unlock you at the bronze within the first few days of signing up. Okay, but yeah, this is pretty much all I want to show you guys today. And I also want to say that when you start unlocking these different things, these are different products, and start thinking about entrepreneurship online, I'm getting messages here. People want to buy my PS5. When you start unlocking these different income streams, right? Gotta mute that. People, once you start unlocking these different income streams, it opens up a whole world of opportunity when it comes to investments, when it comes to things you can do to further change your life. Okay. One of the things I like to invest into is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has been making a lot of money for me in the last few months, and it's going to keep going. That's the future of currency, in my opinion. Now, how are you going to invest money in the current cryptocurrency if you have no money flowing in? All right. So you want to make these different income streams happen, make these thousands of dollars coming in your business so you can learn how to make money online. Then you can invest into assets that are going to make you rich later on. Okay, going to actually make a difference in your life. But you're not going to be sitting on the beach. You're not going to be sitting on the beach working from your laptop if you don't take action and don't invest in yourself. Don't invest in your business. You got to put your money where your mouth is. Otherwise, nothing's going to change. You're going to be in the same job, you're going to be in the same situation, whether it getting government funding, whether it, just stuck. Sometimes you're going to pull out the credit card and invest in yourself and just make it happen. Okay. And put all the excuses away. But, anyone that gets in this program, we're here for support as well. So you can always send me a message, comment below in this video as well. I'll have the link for you guys to get started in the system. And anyone that gets in at the higher levels, the $1,000 or the $2,000 levels, myself and my business partner, we're going to do one-on-one training with you. We're going to get on some Zoom calls and help you do whatever you want help with, whether it's getting traffic, whether it's learning how to start an online business, whether it's utilize social media platforms to get more, get yourself your own personal brand built, etc. Okay. So I appreciate you guys checking out this video today. It's David Wynn, August University, and appreciate all my Augustians following this channel. Make sure you subscribe, destroy the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. But take action, click the link below, and let's get started. 2021 is going to be a big year. All right. You guys are coming with me, but you got to take action, make moves. Let's get it.